Hey there, young G. Welcome back to Money Magnet, where we're unlocking the secrets of financial success. Today, we're diving eggs deep into the world of money and sharing the best 15 money tips for teenagers to become millionaires. So, if you're ready to kickstart your journey towards the Millionaire Club, let's jump right in. Start saving early. Our first secret weapon, starting early. Think of your savings as seeds. The sooner you plant them, the taller your financial tree will grow. Even if it's just a few dollars from your allowance, putting money away regularly builds a money-making machine called compound interest. It's like your personal magic spell that turns small savings into big bucks over time. So start now and watch your money multiply like rabbits. Tip 2. Create a budget. Hold on. Before you hit that Buy Now button on your PS5, let's talk about budgets. Imagine your budget as a treasure map guiding you through your financial journey. List your income sources, whether it's your part-time gig, babysitting, or dog walking. Then, map out your expenses, making sure you're not spending more than you're bringing in. Budgeting is your key to unlocking financial freedom. Tip 3. Set financial goals. Now let's paint a picture of your future, setting financial goals. Think of these goals as your financial GPS, helping you navigate towards that treasure trove of success. Whether it's saving up for that dream vacation, a new gadget, or even your college fund, having a goal gives your money purpose and a direction. With each step, you'll be closer to joining the Millionaires Club. Tip 4. Invest in knowledge. Time to level up your game by investing in the most valuable asset yourself. The more you learn, the more you earn. Use your resources to educate yourself, whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or attending workshops. Knowledge is the ultimate currency that can open doors to better opportunities and higher earnings down the road. Tip 5. Embrace entrepreneurship. Let's talk about unleashing your inner business lord. Whether it's selling homemade crafts, offering tutoring services, or starting a small online venture, entrepreneurship is your golden ticket to financial independence. Not only does it boost your income, but it also teaches you essential skills like communication, marketing, and managing money. Tip 6. Harness the power of compounding. Get ready to witness the magic of compounding in action. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it gathers momentum, it becomes an unstoppable force of wealth accumulation. Make investing a habit, and watch your money work its compounding charm. Tip 7. Minimize unnecessary expenses. Time to play detective with your spending habits. Track your expenses closely and identify areas where you can cut back. Ditch those impulse buys and steer clear of lifestyle inflation, where you start spending more as you earn more. By keeping your expenses in check, you'll have more cash to funnel into your wealth-building journey. Tip 8. Leverage technology for earnings. Turn your smartphone into a money-making machine. Explore apps and platforms that offer opportunities to earn extra bucks. From participating in online surveys to freelancing gigs, there's a whole digital world waiting for you to tap into. Embrace technology and watch your wallet grow. Network and build connections. In the world of money, who you know can be just as important as what you know. Cultivate your social circle and expand your network. Attend events, join clubs, and connect with mentors who can offer guidance and open doors to exciting opportunities you might not have discovered otherwise. Tip 10. Master negotiation skills. Prepare to unleash your inner negotiator. Whether you're haggling at a flea market or negotiating your first job offer, honing your negotiation skills can save you money and help you secure better deals. Remember, the worst they can say is no, so why not ask for that girl's number? Tip 11. Embrace the gig economy. Welcome to the world of side gigs. Use your talents to offer services like graphic design, writing, or social media management. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork can be your virtual marketplace, connecting you with clients seeking your skills. It's a win-win. You earn money while building your resume. Tip 12. Automate your savings. Take the hassle out of saving by automating it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment account. This set it and forget it approach ensures that you consistently contribute to your financial goals, making saving a breeze. Tip 13. Learn basic investing principles. Become your own financial guru by learning the basics of investing. From stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds to cryptocurrencies, understanding these investment vehicles can open up a world of wealth-building possibilities. Knowledge is your key to confident investing. Tip 14. Embrace frugality with purpose. Being frugal doesn't mean missing out on life's joys. Embrace mindful spending by focusing on experiences that truly matter to you. Splurge on what brings you genuine happiness while cutting back on mindless purchases that drain your wallet. Tip 15. Volunteer and gain skills. Unlock the secret of skill building through volunteering. Join organizations that align with your interests and learn valuable skills that can boost your future earning potential. Plus, giving back to your community is a rewarding way to enrich both your soul and your financial journey. And there you have it, our 15 best money tips for teenagers to become millionaires. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't just about luck, it's about smart choices, discipline, and a sprinkle of financial magic. If you enjoyed these tips and are eager to embark on your journey towards financial success, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making wisdom, and share this video with your fellow future millionaires. Until next time, keep hustling, stay savvy, get jacked, and remember, the road to millions starts with the first step.